Hi everyone, and welcome to this new video where we will show you how to create a certificate of completion using Dozent LMS Certificate plugin. Dozent LMS Certificate is a robust plugin through which you can create awesome certificates for all your Dozent LMS courses. And guess what? You don't need to spend any money for using this plugin. Just install the free version of our core plugin and you are good to go. For your free installation, go to your WordPress dashboard and click Add New under Plugins. In the search area, write down Dozent LMS Certificate and hit Enter. Once the plugin is found, hit Install. The installation process will take some time as the plugin is loading all the data it needs to run smoothly on your system. So, we suggest you have some patience while it's installing. Great, the plugin is installed. Now activate it. Once activated, you will find it on the installed plugins list here. Now let's start using the plugin for the first time. Click on the Certificates tab under Dozent LMS. From here, you can import two certificate templates done for you. If you are a first-time user, these predefined templates will help you create your certificate in no time. Once the import is complete, select anyone to make it your default template. Or you can add your own template from the certificate builder. To have your own custom design certificate template on your Dozent LMS website, make the design ready in the first place. Now, go to Add Certificate. In the Add Title box, give a title to your template. Remember, this title will not change the heading of your certificate. It's more like for your own reference. After a title is added, jump to the certificate content section. From here, you can select your content of your certificate body. We have set an example here for you to follow, but you can use whatever you see fit. Just remember to put the student name, course name, and date as shown in the example. You can select content attributes from the content wrapper section. Select the width, font family, font size, and color of your content from here. Right now, we have integrated two font families in our certificate plugin, Montserrat and Great Vibes. We'll be adding some more in future. Now it's time for you to align your text as needed and select a margin as per your design requirements. Also, select the font family and size in which you want your student name to be shown on the certificate. After completing all these sections, go to the Set Featured Image option and upload your design image from here. For maximum output, use our recommended image size of 1704 pixel by 1212 pixel. And when everything is done, scroll down and hit Test Certificate. And when you are satisfied with the test, publish the certificate and your template will be added to the default template list. Setting a template as default means all your certificates will be generated on that same template, but you might want to offer a different template for a certain course. To select a course-specific template, go to the Edit section of your course. Scroll down to find Certificate Template under Course Settings. And from here, you can change the template you want to offer with this particular course. For example, we have selected the Elegant Design template as our default template, remember? That's why this green mark is showing on the Elegant Design template. Now, if we select the other one, students will get to download the modern certificate after completing this course, while the template for all the other courses will remain as Elegant. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. We hope that this tutorial will help you use our certificate plugin seamlessly. If you still face any issue, contact us directly and we will be giving you the solutions. Another important thing for you to know is that we constantly upload video tutorials and how-to videos on our channel. So if you subscribe the channel, you'll never miss an update from us. See you around on our next video. Till then, stay safe and take care. Goodbye.